So it's been a little while.
It has been a while.
We got new haircuts.
We got new hair.
It's not just about that though, is it?
It's not about the
Are
hair.
you ready to do this?
I'm so ready.
We've got some big changes happening. This is our flat. We moved in here 2 years ago. This is our little place.
Welcome to the lounge.
Welcome to the lounge.
And if you come over here.
All the way over there.
This is probably going to be like the dining room.
That's the dining room.
Kitchen.
We're in the kitchen. We got our own balcony.
Ta-da!
How flippin' pimpin'.
Oh.
This was apparently a small leak which was fixed 14 months ago.
This is glitter paint. This is extra glitter to go in the glitter paint. Oh, it does look good.
You ready for a two-legged table?
Does it fit though?
Oh, like an absolute flippin' dream, Holly.
Oh, we got. Is that good? The camera went blurry.
Office. Living room.
Dining room. And the kitchen, which is a mess.
And
which
fridge to be.
Fridge to be.
Whoa! Happy.
Cheers.
Happy moving in. Happy future and all that. It's our little humble abode.
First steps.
First steps. And then hopefully in a couple of years we can move into a bigger place.
Hopefully, yeah, we can get a house. And that brings us back to today, pretty much 2 years after we moved in.
Now, we absolutely love this place.
We do.
But it's a small one-bed flat,
Yeah.
which is basically one room. I mean, I've got to use it as my office, as my studio, as a lounge, as a dining room, as a kitchen, all in this one room, which has made it really, really hard. I mean, there's no garden.
And we're not allowed dogs.
And we're not allowed any puppos.
No.
And that's pretty much the main reason why we had to stop vlogging. But I did manage to make the space work quite well and make lots of review videos over on my second channel. From my little office space in the corner, to our console tower, and our memory wall on the side of the fridge. This flat has been at the heart of what we do and where I've run my business from for the past 2 years. Now some people might think or look at this and go, flippin' heck, it's tiny! And we go,
It is tiny.
It is! It's our tiny little place.
It's our tiny little place.
But today marks the day where we actually leave this flat and go on life's next big venture.
We bought a house!
We bought a flipping house, an actual house with multiple rooms, with multiple bedrooms, with a garden and a driveway.
And then we can get a dog.
That means we can actually get a pooch. We first looked at the house we have bought back in January this year, which was 6 months ago. And it's been a rather stressful 6 months with endless mortgage meetings, estate agents meetings, paperwork and lots of packing. Is this a little bit sad, Holly, taking off all the memories?
It is a little bit sad. Oh, that's the lucky
Whoops.
cat. Do you want to take it to the sack? I don't feel like the table's very protected.
Oh, a glass table?
The glass table has nothing on it.
It's fine. Blame it on the driver if it
Okay,
breaks.
you've probably got time to run to Bristol and get another one if it breaks.
Here we are.
This is it.
6 months has come to this final moment. We've had a little bit of a stressful couple of days, boxing and getting everything out of the flat, down all those flights of stairs and stuff, so I'll be glad to see the back of those stairs.
You said that a lot today.
But it's also kind of sad that we're going to be leaving this place because we've got so many memories here.
Yeah, I am actually a little bit sad to be leaving. But I am excited to be moving on. But I'm a little bit sad.
We just feel like we've outgrown this place. We've been here for a couple of years and now we've finally bought a house, which is both scarily daunting but kind of awesomely exciting all at the same time.
Mostly exciting, but yeah, I'm so excited.
It's the next big chapter in our lives. Should we do it?
Let's do it.
This is it. And the house we have bought isn't actually too far away from where we currently live, but it is right out in the countryside, so no shops, no main roads, and no fast internet. So we have now made it to our brand new flipping house. I am so excited to get my teeth stuck into this brand new project because this is going to be a big project. The biggest project we've ever done. Because
everything needs doing. The kitchen, the bathroom, all of the rooms.
The windows, the doors,
yeah,
the heating, the electrics.
It has nothing.
Basically,
a lot of spiders is all it has.
It's an old house which needs to be refurbed, and it's going to be a crazy project, and we really want to bring you guys along as well. So we're going to be trying to document our story, our journey of moving into this brand new house.
And you can laugh at my lacking DIY skills.
Yes, we don't really have any experience, so it's going to be a fun journey, and we would love for you guys to come along on this journey. So if you're not already, please hit that subscribe button and that bell to be notified when our next videos go live. And I suppose we better get in there and start.
We better start.